Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. This vehicle is featured in the RS trim with red metallic paint and black alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, backup camera, navigation, power liftgates, all-wheel drive, and 3.6-liter V6 engine. Now onto the interior of the Blazer. On our door panel we can see we have our chrome door handle, memory seat option, window and mirror controls, as well as our Bose speaker, liftgate controls, and storage underneath. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls as well as our electric park brake. Our gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather wrapped heated steering wheel with black Chevrolet badge in the middle. And then our push start. Infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, as well as phone connectivity. Below we have our climate controls, dual zone with heated and cooled seats. To adjust the climate, you can see we're blowing low currently on the temperature. You can adjust there, showing the temperature in degrees Celsius just by turning the vents. We also have our two charging outlets, some storage, gear selection stock, two cup holders, and our all-wheel drive controls. We can switch the vehicle from four-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. We also have our sport mode, trailering mode, and off-road mode, as well as our vehicle controls. Little storage for the key there. You can see we have remote start on the key. Padded leather center console lid with red stitching. Front seats are also featured in black leather with red stitching, and behind the perforated leather we have red to create a very cool look in the seats. Above the rearview mirror, we have OnStar controls, reading lights, 3 garage door openers, and a sunglass holder. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our black alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Blazer badging in black as well, paint match mirror caps with side indicators, paint match door handles with chrome lock and unlock buttons, then our rear privacy tint, fin antenna paint matched up top, and around to the back we have our black Chevrolet badge, Blazer all-wheel drive and RS badging, as well as dual exhaust. Open up the liftgate here, and inside we'll find plenty of storage room, our cargo net, Chevrolet badged privacy cover, and the handles to fold down the rear 60/40. And now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, window switch, heated seat option, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets and additional storage. And then our rear seats are a 60/40 split with fold-down center seats featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.